This is not a performance. This is not fashion. This is not spectacle. This is not controversy. This is memory. This is identity. This is continuity. Welcome to Nkosi Wumhlanga, the Zulu Royal Reed Dance, a living tradition, a sacred gathering, a declaration that a people still know who they are. Today, we journey together, not as tourists, not as critics, but as witnesses. From the royal homestead of Kahangama Kangani Royal Palace to the ancestral grounds of Enyokeni Royal Palace. This is the story of dignity, told through song, movement, and belief.